What's up, everybody? I'm going to do a review today on these tail lights that I purchased. I got them about 2 weeks ago, I think. Um, they're just an LED tail light. They don't come with the reverse light built in. It's just the tail light itself. You have to put your own reverse lights bulbs in the housings. They were $87 on eBay. I'll put a picture of the auction I bought them off of. That way you guys can get the words you need to look them up yourselves if you're interested. They work great. The only problem that I really had with them was whenever you get them, they come with resistors so that the lights will flash like they're supposed to, and the truck won't think that it's got a tail light out because the LEDs don't draw the juice that the regular bulbs do. So if I was you, if you purchase these, I would just buy a couple of the resistors. You only need one for each side. And how they work is you will take and put a resistor from your turn signal wire to your negative wire on each side, and it will get your lights to flash normally. Now, if you're looking at these here, this is just the hazard lights, but this is about the speed that they would normally flash at. Other than the resistors, I don't have a lot of complaints. The only thing that you might want to be worried about if you have a truck like mine that's 20 years old, you may want to try to get the new rubbers that go on the plugs that go into the headlight housing. Because when I went and took it to the car wash and I washed it, the water, naturally gets back here. Well, it runs down the light, the back of the housing, and will run down on the plugs. And when it runs down on the plugs, if they're not sealed well, they will, the water will get in and then it'll get down. And for me, it was falling down here, but it was fogging this up whenever it was trying to evaporate out. So if I was you, I would get those new little seals that go on the end of your plugs. But other than that, I really like them, and they turned out good. Way brighter and way nicer than having just the stock ones. I was kind of worried because of the good deal I got on them. I didn't know if they were going to hold up, and I still really don't know if they're going to hold up. I mean, they're made great. I've got them in, and they work good. I'm just curious as to how well they're going to last with them only being $87. But for a replacement, just to get to LEDs for the guy that really doesn't have a whole lot of money, I think they're the way to go. So, and as far as resistors go, I've been looking online trying to figure out maybe what the best route was for resistors. And if I look here, let me see if I can find them. I bought some, and I got a good branded set. They're made by Sylvania, and where are they? There they are. They're made by Sylvania, and they're really good quality. The only thing I will warn you about, which I've read about, is this is 2 complete resistors. Let me get the wiring off here. Hang on a second. They're taped together. I'm going to end up using these regardless. I'm having third brake light issues, and I'm going to need them too. But this is what they look like. You see they got 2 screw holes, and then it's just a wire on each side of it. The only thing I suggest when you buy these, you see they're finned a little bit, and they're made of metal. What I would do is when you screw them on, make sure you screw them to something that you're not worried about getting warm, because these will get warm when you're using them. But the brand I bought, and they come with, it looks like a little bit of extra wire, and they come with Scotch blocks, so you can just wire them right in. But like I said, they're Sylvania LED load equalizers is actually what they're called. And a set of 2, which I went to O'Reilly's for them, was $15. but that should fix all your problems if you're having problems with your LED tail lights. But anyway, I just wanted to show you those. And I'm pretty excited with how the tail lights turned out. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment and ask me. I'll be sure to try to get back with you within 24 hours. If I don't get back almost right away, normally I can get back pretty quick to them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you like this was useful to you, please like the video. And I will be back here shortly with another video and a review on different things I've done. Thanks.